6 safer car brands that are better than Volvo. When you think of safe cars, Volvo is the name that instantly comes to mind. Built on a legacy of crash protection and innovative safety tech, it's hailed as the best. But is it really? Other brands have pushed safety beyond Volvo's limits, some with game-changing tech, others with real-world survival stories. In fact, one car was so safe it literally saved a legend's life. Had it not been for its advanced safety features, history might have taken a tragic turn. So let's talk about the top 6 car brands that outshine Volvo in safety, and you won't believe which one takes the crown. Before we reveal the list, don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button so we can create even better content for you. Okay, moving on. Gone are the days when Mazda was only known for its agile and nimble vehicles. Today, the brand is recognized for its reliability and safety, thanks to significant innovations in manufacturing processes. Mazda's commitment to simplified engineering and stringent quality control has propelled it to the forefront of reliability rankings. Unlike Volvo, which has increasingly leaned on complex electronics and hybrid systems, Mazda's approach remains refreshingly straightforward. Less to go wrong, more to rely on. The 2025 Mazda CX-90 earned an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus award, while the Volvo XC90 only managed a Top Safety Pick. That's a clear sign that Mazda's engineering is not just keeping up, it's surpassing Volvo's once unshakable dominance in safety. The 2025 Mazda CX-50 is recommended by Consumer Reports for its reliability and safety, while the Volvo XC60 wasn't. Volvo's increasing reliance on tech-heavy solutions has led to more reported issues, whereas Mazda keep things both advanced and dependable. Mazda's iActive Sense suite includes smart brake support with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring, all standard on many models. Volvo offers similar features but often behind a paywall. Safety should be standard, not an add-on. Mazda's Kodo Soul of Motion design isn't just for aesthetics. It improves airflow, stability, and fuel efficiency. Volvo's boxier designs, while stylish, don't offer the same driving precision and efficiency that Mazda does. Mazda uses ultra-high tensile steel in key impact zones, improving crash absorption without adding unnecessary weight. Volvo has long been known for its safety cages, but Mazda's approach balances both strength and agility, making for a more engaging, safer drive. At this point, Volvo is still living on its reputation for safety, but Mazda is proving itself through action. It's no longer the underdog, it's a serious competitor that delivers safety, reliability, and driver excitement without the overcomplicated tech that often leads to reliability issues. If you're looking for a car that protects you, won't let you down, and feels great to drive, Mazda makes a compelling case over Volvo. Every year, thousands of crashes happen due to human error, but what if your car could help prevent them? Tesla has redefined vehicle safety, proving that technology can be just as crucial as airbags and strong steel. The Tesla Model Y, for example, outperformed the Volvo XC90 in IIHS crash tests, showing that electric cars aren't just the future, they're safer right now. Tesla's safety edge starts with its unique structure. Without a traditional engine, it has larger crumple zones that absorb impact far better than most Volvos. The ultra-low center of gravity, thanks to its battery replacement, significantly reduces rollover risks, an area where Volvo's safest SUVs have limitations. Add to that Tesla's near-instantaneous electronic stability controls, and it's clear why these cars handle emergencies better. Then there's Tesla's unmatched technology. Autopilot and full self-driving actively prevent collisions, while over-the-air updates continuously enhance safety without a trip to the dealer. Volvo, while still strong in passive safety, hasn't fully matched this proactive approach. For Volvo to stay competitive, it must prioritize smarter driver assistance and seamless software updates. Safety isn't just about surviving crashes anymore, it's about avoiding them altogether, and that's where Tesla is miles ahead. BMW has long been synonymous with luxury and performance, but its unwavering commitment to safety truly sets it apart. The 2025 BMW X5 exemplifies this dedication, seamlessly integrating advanced safety features with dynamic performance. Equipped with the Active Driving Assistant Pro, the X5 offers adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality and lane-keeping assist, ensuring a secure driving experience even in challenging conditions. The 360-degree surround view camera provides real-time visualization, enhancing situational awareness and aiding in accident prevention. Performance-wise, BMW's engineering excellence is evident in models like the M4, which boasts a reinforced body structure and strategically placed airbags, earning it 5-star safety ratings from the NHTSA. This blend of robust construction and responsive handling ensures that drivers can enjoy exhilarating performance without compromising safety. Aerodynamically, BMW's efficient dynamics approach optimizes every aspect of the vehicle. Features like active air flap control and aerodynamic wheel designs reduce drag, enhancing both fuel efficiency and stability at high speed. This meticulous attention to aerodynamic detail improves performance while ensuring better road grip and handling. Volvo, while known for its strong safety history, has relied more on passive safety, such as high-strength steel and crash protection. Volvo built its reputation on safety, but if you think Mercedes-Benz is second place, think again. Mercedes doesn't just focus on crash safety, it works to prevent accidents altogether. Take the Mercedes-Benz S-Class for example. It's packed with pre-safe technology that anticipates crashes and preps the car by tightening seatbelts and adjusting seats. Volvo has great safety tech, but Mercedes? It's practically predicting the future. And performance is where Mercedes truly flexes. Volvo's focus is comfort, but Mercedes balances power, luxury, and control. The E-Class and GLE come with 4MATIC all-wheel drive, keeping you stable even in rough weather. Volvo's all-wheel drive is good, but not as dynamic. Then there's the crash testing. Mercedes consistently ranks among the safest cars in IIHS and Euro NCAP ratings. Plus, with advanced driver aids like Distronic Adaptive Cruise Control and Active Lane Change Assist, you're not just safe, you're stress-free. Volvo's great, no doubt, but Mercedes-Benz is the brand that keeps you safe while making every drive feel first class. Why settle for just safety when you can be smart, strong, and sensational? If you think Volvo is the undisputed king of safety, Subaru might just surprise you. Sure, Volvo has a strong safety legacy, but Subaru doesn't just match it, it goes the extra mile in real-world driving conditions. Let's talk about Subaru's secret weapon: symmetrical all-wheel drive. Unlike Volvo, where AWD is often optional, Subaru equips most of its models, like the Forester, Outback, and Crosstrek, with this system as standard. better grip, better control, and better accident avoidance. That alone makes a massive difference in snow, rain, and off-road situations. Then there's EyeSight Driver Assist, which has been proven to reduce rear-end crashes by up to 85%. That's serious peace of mind. And when accidents do happen, Subaru's reinforced frames and comprehensive airbag systems protect you from every angle. No wonder so many Subaru models boast 5-star safety ratings. Now here's where Subaru pulls ahead. It's not just about surviving a crash, it's about avoiding it altogether. Superior visibility, X mode on SUVs for extreme conditions, and Subaru's smart engineering help keep you out of dangerous situations in the first place. And let's talk about long-term safety. Subaru has fewer safety-related recalls than Volvo, proving its systems work consistently. Plus, Subarus are built for rugged, unpredictable environments. Whether it's snow-covered mountains or muddy back roads, they handle it better than most Volvos. Even better, Subaru gives you all this safety without the premium price tag. Volvo's luxury-focused approach means expensive repairs, but Subaru keeps costs lower while maintaining high reliability. Volvo might have the prestige, but if you want affordable, real-world safety that performs in all conditions, Subaru is a smarter buy. In a head-on collision, the Genesis GV80 once saved Tiger Woods' life, proving its safety isn't just theoretical, but real. Genesis has quietly built one of the safest luxury brands on the road, with models like the G80 and GV70 consistently earning IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus ratings. In comparison, Volvo's flagship XC90 only holds a Top Safety Pick rating, falling short in certain side impact and roof strength tests. Genesis also integrates more advanced driver assist systems as standard, like highway driving assist, while Volvo limits some features to higher trims. Genesis also excels in crash test performance, using hot-stamped high-strength steel for superior cabin protection. Its 10-airbag system, including a front-center airbag, reduces head injuries. Volvo typically offers fewer standard airbags. Genesis's forward collision avoidance assist reacts faster than Volvo's comparable system, and its smart cruise control learns your driving habits for smoother, safer handling. Beyond safety, Genesis delivers serious performance. The GV70's 2.5-litre turbo i4 cranks out 300 horsepower, more than the Volvo XC90's 247 horsepower, offering sharper acceleration. In terms of aerodynamics, Genesis leads with active air skirt technology, enhancing range and stability. If you want a luxury vehicle safer than Volvo while delivering more thrill, Genesis makes an undeniable case. The GV70, GV80, and G80 stand as proof: safe, powerful, and forward-thinking. That's all for now. Do you think all these cars are much safer than Volvo? Give us your feedback in the comments below.